Swahili beef pilau is a popular dish in East Africa, particularly in the coastal regions. It is a fragrant rice dish cooked with beef and a blend of aromatic spices. Here's a recipe to make Swahili beef pilau for 4 servings. Ingredients: 500 grams beef, cut into small cubes. 2 cups basmati rice. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1-inch piece of ginger, grated. 2 tomatoes, finely chopped. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or ghee. 2 teaspoons pilau masala spice mix. You can find it in African grocery stores or make your own blend. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1 cinnamon stick. 3-4 cardamom pods. 3-4 cloves. 2 cups beef broth or water. Salt to taste. Fresh cilantro leaves, chopped for garnish. Instructions: rinseth basmati rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes, then drain and set aside. Heat the vegetable oil or ghee in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add the cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, and cloves. Saute for a minute until fragrant. Add the chopped onion to the pot and cook until it becomes translucent and lightly brown. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Add the minced garlic and grated ginger to the pot. Cook for another minute, stirring continuously. Add the beef cubes to the pot and cook until they are browned on all sides. Add the pilau masala spice mix to the pot. Stir well to coat the beef and spices evenly. Add the chopped tomatoes to the pot and cook for a few minutes until they soften. Add the soaked and drained rice to the pot. Gently stir to combine the rice with the beef and spices, being careful not to break the rice grains. Pour in the beef broth or water, season with salt to taste, and give it a stir. Increase the heat to high and bring the mixture to a boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Allow the rice to simmer for about 15-20 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and all the liquid has been absorbed. Once the rice is cooked, remove the pot from heat and let it sit, covered, for another 5 minutes to steam. Remove the lid and fluff the rice gently with a fork. Garnish with freshly chopped cilantro leaves. Your flavorful Swahili beef pilau is now ready to be served. It is often enjoyed with the side of kachumbari, fresh tomato and onion salad, or raita. Enjoy your meal.